It's literally snowing out. I almost just called the junkyard, had this thing come and picked up. See how it smells in here today. Not great, but better. Before I do something crazy. Switching the oil pressure. I got a Dorman. I think it's the right one. I can't see a thing. So I got it out. It looks pretty good. It's probably brand new. Let's send him home, maybe. That is way too much. Perfect. Let's see if that did it. I'm willing to bet it didn't. Alright, first one. This has got to go. Do I try putting new oil in it? Or do I just go right for the pickup tube O-ring? But while I have this open, oh boy, that was dumb. For the sake of looking, let me check what's under it in the Tahoe for an oil filter. Because that one looks really small in the freaking. Huh, yeah. Looks like the exact same one. I didn't see that. I don't know what you're talking about. Doesn't leak. Beautiful day. Looks like it's gonna snow. Alright, I'm gonna jack this thing up and start to take out the oil pan, I guess. There's that. That oil is not very good looking. And NFL Pro oil pan gasket. But can't do it today. I already got my Bone Thug sweatshirt on. So we'll hit him hard tomorrow. Good morning. Beautiful day out. Nice, but 34 degrees, maybe, if that. So if you're watching, can you hit the subscribe button and maybe give me a like? A sympathy like? Sympathy subscribe? So I got the pan out and I got the tube out. And is this camera? So this doesn't look as bad as I was hoping. The screen is clean, I guess, right? So I don't know if someone just tried to do it, previous owner, or what. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Pickup tube in. Oil pan neck. Batteries in. All right. Preparing for disappointment. Keep going. Well, that sucks. It goes up when you press on the gas a little, but I don't know. I don't want to keep it running forever. It's loud as hell. So now I've changed the pickup tube, o-ring, the gasket, and I did put in a new oil pressure sensor in. So I mean, maybe it's the oil pump or the engine's junk. I took a chance on it, so it is what it is. I gotta start buying like better stuff. Dark at 4 o'clock. So awesome. That was like a couple weeks, that was like a week ago, that last thing. So since I've gotten my brain to work, I ordered a oil pressure tester to see if it actually has low oil pressure or if it's the cluster or the oil pump needs to be replaced, or I mean, maybe the engine's junk. I don't know. It sounds okay, so whatever. So I don't know. What do I do now? I can't just keep crawling under that thing. Oh man. The video makes it actually look like it wasn't that bad, but it actually wasn't very good. It wasn't fun, and it was cold out, so that really made it worse. It was a learning experience, and I learned that I never want to do that again. Oh, it's gone already. Oh, what's this? Probably work. For crying out loud.